8 years ago, I made $8,000 a month working with 4 clients, and it nearly put me in the hospital. Fast forward to today, we've supported over 4,000 clients and generate $500,000 a month in our business. Same expertise, better results for our clients, but one model almost killed me, and the other model gave me my life back. But most importantly, it allowed me to impact way more people. So if you're a coach or consultant who's great at what you do, but trapped in the time for money cycle, this video will change everything for you, because I'm gonna show you exactly how to break free from one-to-one work without sacrificing the quality of your results and your impact, and why your clients will actually get better outcomes when you make this shift. If you wanna take action on what you learned today, be sure to comment, "Give me the guide" below. We'll send you our 10 steps to scale your skill set and 10x your impact ebook on demand. And you can also scan this QR code right here to access it on demand. Okay, so let me paint a little picture of what my life looked like when I was doing one-on-one consulting. I'd wake up at 6, grab my coffee, and immediately start prepping for our first client call at 7. That was when it was really back-to-back sessions until 6 p.m. I'd spend my evenings creating custom strategies for each person, because that's what I thought a great consultant looked like. Here's the thing though, I was getting incredible results for my clients, which was great, but I was drowning. You know, the law of diminishing returns, that was in full effect here. For a while, I was at the beginning of the graph, working hard to get my first few clients, then I started hitting that upward curve. I wasn't worried about getting clients anymore. Instead, I was worried about how on earth I was actually going to deliver everything on time and do good work. Cue the long hours and packed calendar that I lived by. Finally, I hit my limit, I hit my max, and I started seeing my work suffer and my health and sanity as well. I'd hit what I call the time trap. No matter how much I raised my prices, I was still limited by the hours in my day. I was making good money, but I was exhausted, overwhelmed, and I knew this wasn't sustainable. But the worst part, I realized I wasn't actually having the impact I wanted to have. While I was spending hours with 4 clients, there were thousands of people out there who needed my help but couldn't afford to work with me one-on-one or fit it into my packed schedule. Even worse, those 4 clients weren't getting the best version of me. They were getting the exhausted, overwhelmed version who was trying to juggle too many things at once, while I was being selfish with my knowledge and doing disservice to everyone involved. So now, before I go any further, I want to be crystal clear about something. I'm incredibly grateful for every single hour I spent doing one-on-one work. Those were not wasted hours by any means. They were actually the foundation of everything I do today. Every conversation, every challenge my clients faced, every breakthrough we achieved together, that's what taught me what actually works. That's what gave me the deep understanding and wisdom of my clients' real struggles and the exact transformation they needed. When I look at my calendar from my consulting days, completely booked, back-to-back calls, no breathing room, and I compare it to my calendar today, which has space for creativity, family time, and strategic thinking, I'm filled with so much gratitude for the whole journey. But here's what I realized. The minute I wanted to scale my impact and have the time and freedom I craved in my day-to-day life, I knew I needed a different model. The one-to-one work made me an expert, but it couldn't give me the life I wanted. Let me tell you about Monica, who had really the same realization. So she was a dance instructor doing one-on-one lessons, but she was hitting the same ceiling. She had all this incredible knowledge about helping people build confidence through dance, but she could only help class at a time, a person at a time, in person. And when Monica discovered what I'm about to share with you, she went from that exhausting one-on-one model to generating over $1 million teaching adults how to dance in social settings. She went from teaching one person at a time or one class at a time to helping thousands build confidence through dance. Here's what no one really tells you about being really good at what you do. It's a weird thing, but when you're great at getting results, word spreads. And it creates this critical mass tipping point. When that word spreads, demand increases. And when demand increases beyond your capacity, everything breaks down. I remember the exact moment I realized this was happening to me. I was in a call with a client who was frustrated because she felt like she wasn't getting the same level of attention as she had in our previous sessions. And she was right. I was so focused on trying to serve everyone that I wasn't serving anyone at the level they deserved. So the quality of my work was suffering because I was spread too thin. This is the paradox of one-on-one coaching and consulting. Your success becomes your biggest limitation. You think you're serving people better because you're giving them more personal attention, but you're actually serving them worse because you're overwhelmed and burnt out. So the traditional advice is to just raise your prices, but that just prices out people who genuinely need your help. Or it's to hire more staff, but then you're managing people instead of doing the work you love, and your profit margins are shrinking. So I knew there had to be a better way. And that's when I discovered what I now call the 3 C's, and it changed everything. So before I dive into that, let me share with you what happened to Jonathan, one of our clients who had the same realization as me. So Jonathan was an organic gardener doing one-on-one consultations. He had no social media audience at the time, no real sales experience, and no prior business background. He was trading time for money and hitting the same ceiling that we all do inevitably. But when Jonathan implemented the system I'm about to show you, he generated a wait list over 400 people before he even had a product to sell. And the best part, he was able to help all of them instead of just the 4 he could fit into his weekly schedule. Then there's Will Darling, who was stuck helping amateur DJs one at a time find their professional sound. He was talented. He was getting results, but he was completely limited by his time. Now he's built a global community of DJs who support each other's growth while he earns a sustainable income, all because he made this one shift. 2 completely different businesses that tapped into the power of the 3 C's to help them scale. So here's the model that saved my business and truthfully my sanity as well. So the 3 C's break down into curriculum, coaching and consulting, and community. Instead of doing everything one-on-one, I created what I call coaching and consulting at scale. So this is the new way of sharing your expertise that allows you to maintain quality while dramatically increasing your impact. Here's how it works. So you have your curriculum, which is your step-by-step process that takes your clients from where they are now to where they want to be. This isn't just information. People can get that for free on the internet. It's transformation. You're documenting the exact strategy that you've used with your one-on-one clients, the one that gets results every time on repeat, and you're packaging it. Then you have your coaching and consulting. So instead of individual sessions, you do group coaching calls. This is where the magic happens, and truthfully, the acceleration happens. You can answer questions, provide guidance, and help people work through their challenges, but you're helping 20, 50, or even 100 people at the same time instead of in individual silos and repeating yourself. Then there's community. You create a space where your clients can support each other. This is huge because often the best insights come from peers who are going through the same journey. So the 3 C's create an accelerated learning environment where people can learn and implement fast while giving you massive time freedom. But here's what's really incredible. My clients today get better results than my one-on-one clients did. Why? Because I'm not exhausted. I'm not overwhelmed, and I'm not trying to remember the details of 20 different custom strategies. I can show up as my best self every single time. When you're serving 4,000 people through a proven system, you really can deliver consistent, high-quality transformation. When you're juggling 4 people in one-on-one strategies and sessions, you're constantly switching contexts and burning out. So let me tell you about Mike, who made $89,000 in just 3 weeks using this model before he ever created a single module. He validated his offer through conversations, outlined his curriculum, and invited people to join his prototype program. He built the plane while flying it. So here's what most people do, and do wrong, quite frankly. They try to build the entire airplane first, creating dozens of modules, filming every lesson, building elaborate systems before they know if it will even get off the ground. Mike did the opposite. He tested that his wings could fly before building the rest of the plane. So if you're ready to break free from the time trap and scale your impact, click the link in the description or scan this QR code right here to access our 10 steps to scale your skill set and 10x your impact guide. On demand, okay? So now let me break down exactly how this business model works, because even when I started in this direction, I was very nervous. I didn't know if it was gonna work. It wasn't really proven for me, but now I've been doing it for almost a decade and helped thousands of people do the same. So I assure you it does. You just have to do it very strategically. So let's start with the story you might have heard or been told of. You need startup capital. You need a huge social media following. You need expensive commercial space. You need complex inventory systems and a whole team before you're even profitable. And wrong. So this is what I discovered. With the knowledge monetization model, you can literally start with 0 and still build $1 million business. I've watched it happen many, many times. I know that sounds too good to be true, but hear me out. Let me give you a quick comparison to show you what I mean. With the traditional business model, you're looking at high startup costs, it takes forever to launch, and you struggle to keep customers coming back, and the stress of scaling is absolutely brutal. But with the knowledge monetization model, 0 startup cost, you can launch fast, your revenue retention is super high, and scaling is actually really quite peaceful if you do it in the right way. So the difference is you're not trying to build some complicated traditional business. You're building an authority-based business around what you already know, the expertise that's already sitting in your brain right now. Let me tell you about Samira. She was a university professor making $5,000 a month, and she replaced her entire salary with a 6-figure online program. Here's what's amazing. Her clients were getting published in prestigious journals after years of rejection. Those success stories, they became her most powerful marketing tool. She didn't need to spend money on ads or fancy marketing campaigns because her results were doing all of the talking. Then there's Anna. She is a doctor and neuroscientist, and she was stuck in that same one-to-one trap we know all too well. But when she discovered this model, she generated over $225,000 with an audience of fewer than 15 people. 15! She wasn't even using social media. Most people think you need thousands of followers to make real money, but Anna proved that's just not true. Here's the beautiful part about this model. It actually gets more effective over time while requiring less work from you. So your clients get results. Those results attract new clients who get new results, and it becomes this self-perpetuating engine and system. You're not constantly chasing new customers or clients because your success creates more success. So now let's share the framework that actually makes this possible. And it starts with the POP, which is your profitable offer prototype. Instead of spending months creating a course that nobody wants, you start with conversations. You talk to potential clients about their challenges, goals, and what they've tried before. And based on those conversations, you create a basic curriculum outline, not the full course, just the framework. Then you invite the same people you talk to join your prototype program. And here's the beautiful part. Because you validated your offer through conversations, people are ready to buy before you've built the entire program. You get paid to create your content while delivering real transformation and actually seeing success, which makes you even more excited to build the rest of it. This is exactly how Karen, our seamstress client, generated $25,000 to $30,000 per month consistently. She didn't try to teach everyone how to make their own wardrobe. That would have put her in competition with free YouTube videos. Instead, she focused and got specific. She decided to work with women who wanted to create sustainable wardrobes that aligned with their personality and their values. And suddenly she wasn't competing with free information. She was providing a transformation that people couldn't get anywhere else. Or take Rich and Lucy. They built $1 million a year fat loss program. They didn't try to compete with every fitness influencer out there. They got specific about helping people transform their bodies and their lives at scale using their unique approach, okay? And this is where it gets really exciting. Once you've proven that your model works, scaling becomes predictable. So let me share Jeffrey's story. So Jeffrey had been working on his program for 2 years without making any sales. He had no audience. He tried blogging. He created a book. He tried Facebook ads. Nothing was working. So his passion was helping men in long-term relationships and marriages on the verge of collapse. But without an audience or strategy, he couldn't make his vision a reality. Then Jeffrey followed this exact process. Within 18 months, he went from having no business at all to generating over $1.2 million in revenue. Today, Jeffrey consistently earns $130,000 to $150,000 per month organically without running a single ad. But here's what I love most about his story. He's transformed thousands of men, helping them repair their marriages and become the best versions of themselves. When you scale your expertise this way, you're not just building a business, you're building a legacy. And here's the thing, every single one of these people started exactly where you are right now. They had a skill, they were good at getting results, but they were stuck in the one-to-one trap. Monica was teaching dance lessons one at a time. Will was helping DJs individually. Rich and Lucy were training people one-on-one, but they all made the shift. So let's talk about the systems that ultimately can set you free in your business and get you your time back. So what happens when you implement these systems properly? Your business starts to run without you, your curriculum serves clients 24/7, your community answers questions and provides support, and your methodology continues to help people whether you're personally involved daily or not. This is what happened to Katie, the veterinarian who went from being confined to a single clinic, helping one pet at a time, to impacting thousands of pets and their owners globally, all while working fewer hours and making more impact. When you reach this level, you've created what I call authority status. Your expertise becomes a business asset instead of a time for money trap. This is the fundamental difference between the traditional business model and the knowledge monetization model. Most business models drain you until you break, but this one compounds your authority into income day after day, year after year. And look, I am not saying that this is an easy journey. Building any business takes work. It'd be ridiculous to say that it doesn't. But what I am saying is that this process is simple, but there's a difference between simple and easy. Simple means that you can follow it step by step and that it's proven and that it works. Easy means that you're not putting any effort in. That just wouldn't be true. So it is a simple, easy to follow, time-tested process. And it's a process that really provides you with an incredible amount of freedom of choice, freedom of time. And the one-to-one coaching and consulting model, it really did nearly kill me. But it also taught me something invaluable. You can be phenomenal at what you do without doing one-on-one work. In fact, you can actually be better at it when you're not constantly overwhelmed and stretched thin. When I made the shift to this model, truly, I was terrified. But like I said, it was also the best decision I've ever made. I'm on the other side of it, so I can speak from that place. It's also allowed me to serve 4,000 clients better than I ever served 4 clients in my successful consulting business. That's crazy. And that's really what I want for you. If you're ready to break free from the time trap and scale your impact, I've created a complete ebook for you. It's called the 10 Steps to Scale Your Skill Set and 10x Your Impact. And you can grab it by scanning the QR code right here. You can access it at the link below in the description, or you can comment, give me the guide below, and we'll send it to you to access on demand for free. Your expertise and your knowledge is really valuable. Your time is also very valuable. And the people you can help are waiting for you to make this shift so you can actually help more people. So the question isn't whether you can build a business around your knowledge. The question is, how many people will you help along the way? So comment, give me the guide below, or go ahead and click the link in the description. If you want to see the step-by-step process of how to build $1 million course from scratch, make sure you watch this video next, where I break down the exact framework that's helped our clients generate millions in revenue. And I'll show you the behind-the-scenes blueprint that turns your expertise into a scalable business that works even when you're not working. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.